Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can easily get free templates in Doodly. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to your videos, this card, and when you're going to be here in the dashboard of Doodly, you want to click on the templates. Right here, you want to click, you're going to see my paid templates and my free templates. And we're going to scroll down below, let's make it bigger. You can see all the free templates that you can use for your Doodly project. So executive board, and I'm going to turn off the music here, and I can see how it looks. Then you can, let's say, back to school, and now as you can see it's pretty good. Then vacation, training invite, free tips, mobile application, look at this. And we got it, nice. Or we can go like SEO keyword research. Let's create this one. SEO, let's create. And here we go. So now as we can see, let's show the preview here. Nice. And you can easily change literally everything here. And this is how you can get and use free templates. So I'm going to hide the preview and I can go to this here and I can edit text, I can edit the person, you can edit literally everything in Doodly, and this is pretty much it how you can do it. So if you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. So yeah. And again, you go to my videos, again, templates, my free templates, and you're gonna see all the templates that you can use. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.